Today I am giving you a tour of 7887 North 16th Street, Unit 112 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo located in the sought-after Canyon Gate Condominiums. This unit also boasts an attached private garage. Enjoy community amenities such as a heated pool and spa, and benefit from a prime central Phoenix location. Spanning 1,243 square feet, this unit offers an open floor plan with plenty of natural light. The kitchen features modern stainless steel appliances, upgraded countertops and backsplash, and bonus counter seating, perfect for both everyday meals and entertaining. Other features include a private covered patio that provides a relaxing outdoor space and overlooks the greenery of the community. And finally, the spacious primary suite includes an oversized ensuite bath with dual vanities and a large walk-in closet. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Thanks for watching.